of Little Lake, northbound 2700, power off stall, Lake Apopka.
That's about it there.
So, power, the first notch out, build speed.
I want to say about this.
About 60, good. Awesome. Okay, once you fully recover, let's do, and cruise, let's do a power on. Or you know what? We're getting closer to him. He probably slower than us, so let's just turn south.
Bithlow X-ray, you get a Seminole Bookie 692 about 5 miles to the northeast of the Bithlow Towers, 4,000, climbing up to 5,500 southeastbound, Bithlow.
Wow.
Here we go.
Lake Apopka, Archer 979 Charlie is over the center of the lake, turning southbound 2700, Lake Apopka.
Practice there is Flight Skyhawk, 4 miles southeast of the Whaler, ground reference maneuvers 900.
Let's stay here, because we have clouds on the south.
South practice there, running white tail Skyhawk, 818 Echo Papa. We are just reporting to Smyrna, going to intercept Victor 3 southbound to hold at Oki at 2000, South practice area.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, power on.
South practice area, White Skyhawk 38, Papa, back 2,500, overhead, Massey, going eastbound to the shore. South practice.
Now we felt the buffet, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, buffer. The Piper, they don't like to fully stall. They don't.
No.
Not like the Cessnas. The Cessna, if you don't use an upright rudder, it goes like this.
All traffic, Epic 521 is
Okay, let's do a steep turn.
holding on Oki at 2,000 feet.
Steep
That's south of Oki for 521.
below VA. So whichever RPM that give you below VA for the steep turn. Are you a commercial pilot? Okay. Yeah, I never asked your licenses.
What about it?
Onto what license you have.
521 holding at Oki at 2,000, you said?
Oh.
Affirmative. 521.
Are you ATP as well?
25.
No?
No, commercial, single and multi-engine
Where you
land,
at right now, Brad?
instrument, private single engine C.
Oh, nice.
The seaplanes are
I want my C. I want my seaplane as well. Single and multi.
Do you want to get it or do you have it?
No, I want to get it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get away from these clouds, honey.
Yeah. Good, the PIC.
Yeah, but I mean, the small ones I'm not worried about, but you know,
Yeah.
get back around the tip of the lake. Also, this is a good landing area right here in case.
Flying Blue Archer, steep turns, 4,200, for southeast of
Nice flying plane. Really?
Upright area, White Sky, Red Tail, 319 Echo Papa. North side of restricted shell, 4,500 steep files down.
Yeah, once we're done with the maneuvers and all that, I'll show you how to use. Are you familiar with this autopilot?
2,500, 4 miles to the
I've read it over, but I haven't really.
Okay, so I'll show you how to use it.
Yeah, because if all goes well, I'll be flying to Quincy Municipal. You know what that is?
Municipal what?
Quincy Municipal.
No. Quincy.
That is up by, it's a little west of Tallahassee.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, so we're on a heading of east.
Uh-huh.
And the area clear?
Pretty clear, yep. I'll report ourselves as well. Lake Apopka, practice area, Archer 979er Charlie is over the southwest shore of Lake Apopka, eastbound 2600, steep turn, Lake Apopka.
Lake Apopka traffic, Warrior 15 Foxtrot, southeast shore of Lake Apopka.
Seminole booking.
Okay, shall we do one to the right?
Left first?
Left first.
Yep.
Massive traffic area, Epic 544, 400 miles.
Commercial level?
Traffic routing to the shoreline at 1,100 feet.
So we started eastbound. Good, good, looking good. And let's do one to the right as well. Beautiful.
Oh,
Really good.
it's interesting though, but see, I usually don't trim.
Yeah, I like to trim to hold the pressure a
Yeah.
little better.
I don't, because I like to feel it, you know, but I mean, that's probably a better way to do it.
Yeah. Can you pass me the checklist? Engine failure.
Oh yeah.